Discover Pakistan. Top waterfalls in Pakistan. Waterfalls in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Chajia Waterfall near Haripur. Ittar Waterfall Mansehra. Naran Kagan Waterfalls, Kagan Valley. Baffa Waterfalls, near Mansehra. Gojal Khan Waterfalls, Swat Valley. Swabi Waterfalls, near Mardan. Sajikot Waterfall, near Abbottabad. Shingrai Waterfall, Mangalavar, Swat Valley. Jarogo Waterfall, near Matta Tehsil, Swat. Sabri Waterfall, near Mulia, Abbottabad. Umbrella Waterfall, near Sajikot, Abbottabad. Noori Waterfall, Haripur. Waterfalls in Punjab. Ashraf Chambar, Rawalpindi. Narah Waterfall, Rawalpindi. Neela Sand Waterfall, Mauri Sedan. Balakas Waterfall, Mauri Sedan. Kanti Bagh Khushab, Soon Sakesar. Neela Von Kallar Kahar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.